Good. Yeah, I guess. Best I'm gonna get. I can't really find them.
Big troll. Yeah. Not bad.
First shot was a kill shot.
Bitch. Quit using them fucking bullets.
Why?
You get blood all over me, Jesus.
Hey, I'm telling you that. First shot was kill shot.
Fucking splattered blood all over. What is it, Scotty? What is it?
I think I hit the jugular on that one.
Yeah, tell me about it. Sprayed it all the way down. Tree's probably covered with it.
That one didn't move.
See you later.